Hello guys, welcome to this news. And we have trouble because there's one warning raining coming up right now, so I might need to show you because we're stuck in this car for a little bit. And look, that's a lot of rain coming up, so we might need to stay in this car for now and be safe, so don't leave. Okay, so make sure be protected. Don't get out of the house because it's really happening. So please make sure like and subscribe to end this hurricane like rain and wind come together. So please do it. So I hope you enjoy. Bye. So bye. Goodbye.